Hello everyone and welcome to Eleanor's Hearty Home. Today I'm gonna show you how I'm making my couscous recipe with a veggie soup. Healthy, delicious and easy to make. Let's start. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. We will need 1 large onion or 2 mediums. Chop them into small pieces and add it to the pot. While the onion gets sauteed, we will cut the vegetables. So here I have 4 ribs of celery. Next I cut 1 large size of green squash cut into medium cubes, 3 medium potatoes, and 1 carrot. I use this scrubbing spoon to remove the seeds from the squash. Is it called a scrubbing spoon? If it has any specific name, please comment below. Next I'm cutting 2 medium sweet potatoes and half of a cabbage. Some people cutting it into cubes, but I prefer it this way. Now for our sauteed onion, we're gonna add our spices: salt, pepper, turmeric, and a chicken powder. Cook it just for a little bit so all the flavor of the spices gonna come out. Then add all the chopped vegetables and 1 can of chickpeas. Now we're gonna add the water and let it cook till it's boiled. No need to add too much water because while cooking the vegetables reduce the water and it's enough for our soup. Now reduce the flame and cook it covered for like 30 minutes or until vegetables are ready. And now for the easy part, how to make the couscous. Measure to see how much couscous do you have, because we will need to use the same amount of hot water. Move it to a large container. Just make sure that you have the magic lid because we will need to cover it tightly. Now we're gonna add our spices: salt, pepper, and pinch of turmeric. Give it a stir. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix it well. Then we're gonna add our 2 cups of hot water. Mix it and cover it and put it aside for like 5 minutes. Then give it a nice mix to break all the clumps. Cover again and put aside for another 15-20 minutes. Now open, give it again a nice mix, and that's it. Look at that. So nice, fluffy, easy to make, and so yummy. Our soup ready. Vegetables are nice and soft. Check for salt and pepper. If needed, add it now. And all done. Now it's time to eat. I like to serve it in a bowl. I put my couscous, the soup, and enjoy. Bon appetit. Please subscribe, comment, and share.